going to see the types of pronouns. Here is the personal pronoun. What is personal pronoun talking about? Firstly, talking about their definition. A personal pronoun which stands for a person or thing is called a personal pronoun. There, it is in 7 numbers. It is in 7 number: I, you, she, he, it, we, they. Also, it is also a personal pronoun: me, her, him, us, them. These are a personal pronouns example. There are in 7 numbers, and also here is a personal pronoun. Firstly, see their examples in sentence. Abhi bakes a carrot cake. Here is a noun. Here we replace. Here is a noun, and Abhi is a girl. So we replace in she. Look at the second example in a sentence. My brother likes to dance. So my brother is a boy. So we replace in he. So we replace in he. Now I hope you better understand personal pronoun. Now talking about the types of personal pronoun. Talking about types of personal pronoun. There are in 3 types: first person, second person, and third person. I'm going to first talk about first person. What is first person? First person is a person who speaks. First person is a person who speaks like that. I, we, mine, our, me, us. Now what is second person? Second person, a person who spoken to. A person who is spoken to. You, yours. Now what is third person? A person spoken of. Third person. He, she, it, him, his, her, its, they, them, their. Now going to see the second types of pronoun. The second definition of pronoun. Here is a possessive, talking about possessive pronoun. Talking about possessive pronoun. What is possessive pronoun? Possessive pronoun are word used instead of nouns for showing position. Showing its position like that. This book is mine. So mine is possessive pronoun. That bag is his. So his is possessive pronoun. Now talking about the third definition. Third pronoun, reflexive pronoun. What is a reflexive pronoun? Refers to the same person, same person, refers to the same person or persons as the subject of the verb. Like that, here is example. The cat was itself. So itself is reflexive pronoun. They laughed at themselves. So themselves is reflexive pronoun. She often talked to herself. Herself is also a reflexive pronoun. Enjoy yourselves, boys. Now yourselves is a reflexive pronoun. If you is in singular, so we use self, only self. If you in plural, so we use selves. Now going to see the next topic. Is the fourth definition of pronoun. It is talking about emphatic pronoun. It is talking about emphatic pronoun. Now what is emphatic pronoun? Emphatic pronoun are used along with nouns or pronouns. It comes with noun or pronoun for the sake of emphasis. These are their example. See their examples. The mother herself visit the school. Here is noun, and here is emphatic pronoun. Come with noun. Here is noun and emphatic pronoun. We ourselves. Here is pronoun and here is emphatic pronoun. These are come with along. These are come with along. We ourselves serve the guests. The town itself. Here is noun and here is emphatic pronoun. Come along with. The town itself is not very large. So student, herself, ourself, itself, these are emphatic pronouns. Now come there. Fifth example, fifth definition, demonstrative pronoun. What is demonstrative pronoun? Are used it demonstrative pronoun are used for pointing out the object or objects. It pointing the object or objects to which they refers. To which they refers, like that, these, that, these, those. Here is the example of demonstrative pronoun. This is your bikes. This is your house. Sorry. This is your house. That is my bike. These are her books. And those are your books. So here is these, that, these, those. These are examples of demonstrative pronoun. So next topic, types of pronoun. Indefinite pronoun. Talking about indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronouns: some, few, many, all, one, none, refers to person or things in a general ways. Example here. See the example. Many of these eggs are rotten. So in this sentence, many is indefinite pronouns. Few escaped unhurt. In this sentence, few is indefinite pronoun. None of these apples in ripe. So none is indefinite pronouns. All are not sick. So all is indefinite pronouns. These are example of indefinite pronouns. Many, few, none, all. Now see the next topic. Interrogative pronouns. Here is the definition of interrogative pronoun. What is interrogative pronoun? It's always ask question in question. It always asks question, always introduce question, and always introduce question who, which, what. See the examples. Who spoiled my drawing books? So in this sentence, who is a interrogative pronoun. Which is your house? In this sentence, which is interrogative pronoun. What are you doing? Now what is a interrogative pronoun? So these are threes of interrogative pronoun. Who, which, what. Student, talking about relative pronoun. What is relative pronoun? Relative pronoun is the word that who, whom, whose, which, and that are used in a sentence called relative pronoun, and tells relation between person and things. Are joined to sentences. Relative pronouns are joined to sentences and refer to nouns coming before them. Like that, here is example of relative pronouns. This is the boy who stood first in the class. So in this sentence, who is relative pronoun because it joined two sentences. Now let's see the next example. This is the boy whose legs was broken in the accident. Now here is joined two sentences. Whose is in this sentence, whose is a relative pronoun. Now see the next example. The lady whom in this sentence is a relative pronoun. The lady whom you met at the door is my aunt. And the last sentences, in the last example of this relative pronoun, Rachita has found the purse which she had lost. Now in this sentence, which is a relative pronoun. So student, who, whose, whom, and which are relative pronoun. Talking about relative pronouns. So student, I hope you will understand the types of pronoun. So thank you.